Hi friends! So we are getting into the holiday spirit. A couple of years ago I went to a party. They were serving George and Martha Washington's holiday eggnog. And it's pretty much like the Long Island iced tea of holiday drinks. Brandy, rum, whiskey, sherry, eggs, sugar, milk, cream, nutmeg, cinnamon stick. So I thought you would like to see how we make it. Finding brandy at the liquor store was kind of a challenge. Also cream sherry. Who's drinking that? What even is that? All right, so this is all the booze. It's all these crazy things. So brandy.
4.5 cups of booze.
Dark rum, rye, and cream sherry. Gross. Okay, and then it takes 10 eggs and a cup of sugar. And you said you just want to use like white sugar. So now it's time to crack 10 eggs and separate them. Because in this recipe, you gotta keep them separated. You don't like my jokes?
No, that's terrible.
I'm the world's worst egg cracker. Hey, watch. All the snot goes in one, and then the baby chicken goes in the other one. The rest of this magic just involves adding more milk, some spices, and then whipping some egg whites and then folding them in. So we just beat 10 egg whites. When I say we, I mean me and Mr. Hamilton Beach over here. So we beat the egg whites until they look like this. This is the cream, milk, booze mixture, and we need to fold in the egg whites, add the spices, and then we're almost done. What does fold in mean?
He folds it in. I understand that, but how do you fold it? Do you fold it in half like a piece of paper and drop it in the pot, or what do you do?
Check back in when we have an outrageous amount of eggnog. Oh! I don't want you to do it to me like 85 times worse and be like, oh, we're just playing around. Sometimes my lips get stuck on my lips. Ah! I'll do it. The nog has been mixed together and now it has to sit in the refrigerator in an airtight container for 7 days. Apparently it's haunted nog. So we're making it tonight so that we have it ready for Thanksgiving. So hi, hello. Where are you going?
Out of the frame. I do not consent.
Rude. So it is the weekend before Thanksgiving and we've decided that we're gonna go ahead and decorate for Thanksgiving. Nope. We're gonna go ahead and decorate for Christmas now because Thanksgiving is happening so late that it's kind of shortening the Christmas season, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go ahead and bring down all the regular decor, lights, home decor type stuff, which really isn't that much. It's not like Halloween. It's not that we don't love Christmas, because we do, right?
We also just don't have the storage space.
And we just, well, we filled it with Halloween. So we're gonna bring down the bins and put out the Christmas stuff. La 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 la. I'm moving kind of slow, probably because of the booze. We're not setting up the tree tonight. We're not ready for that. Will you turn on the volume, please?
Yeah.
As we're going through our decorations, we're finding things that don't work anymore, that somebody broke.
Can't breathe.
It is after Thanksgiving. I didn't vlog any of it. We hung up the thank you. Before we had lunch, oh my God. Before we had lunch, we went up to the roof and hung the light bar. Stop! Stop. No. No. So before we had lunch, we went up to the roof and hung up the light bar. It's just a big long PVC pipe that we attached big giant icicles to, light up icicles, and that hangs off of the front of the house on the roof. That's what that means, I guess. Now we are gonna go down to the front porch and change it from fall to winter. Also, Patches has strained his neck somehow. We gave him some pain medicine earlier and he's just laying on the couch staring into the abyss. Poor baby. Where do we store all this, you ask? We don't know. We didn't think about that. Okay, so the porch is clear, and now we are working with the neighbor across the street because what we like to do is string lights across the street from the roofs of the houses. It looks really cool when everybody does it. So Tyler's across the street and Robert's up on the roof lowering down his lights, and then Tyler's attaching them to a line. He'll bring it over here to our house and then attach it to this little line that I have right here and haul it up to the roof and then attach it up there. We're in the car, obviously, so spontaneous. We're gonna go to District Camera and maybe buy a new camera today. I mean, is it that spontaneous? I've been thinking about it for a while and I've been talking about it with Linda. So Linda's been using her same camera, which is kind of a beginner type of camera. It's great, it's been doing the job, but I think she's ready to upgrade. So she pulled the trigger today on a camera body, and it's the same one that I've sort of been thinking about. So I upgraded my camera from when I first started doing YouTube. I upgraded about 2 years ago, I guess now. But what I didn't realize at the time when I upgraded to that one is it wasn't super compatible with stuff that I wanted to try to do in the future, like live streaming and all of that stuff. So I'd like to be able to use my camera to live stream because the quality of the picture would be better than just my phone. I guess we'll see, but I'm gonna meet Linda because she wants to also look at some lenses. Is that a pretty potato? Hi.
Oh, hi.
You're doing it.
You can't see I'm chattering my teeth.
Ah! I bought a new camera. And Linda bought a new lens. She bought a new camera also. I think I already said that. If you're in the Washington, D.C. metro area and you need camera equipment of any kind, you need to be going to District Camera. Okay? There's 3 locations, they're super nice, and it's a local business. So Patches has a vet appointment today. He's very, how you'd think he would be. He's mad.
Get in there.
Look at him, he's like, God damn it, I know what this is.
Potty can. There it is.
Yep, can't wait to listen to that for an hour. We're here at the vet, waiting for them to ask for Patches. Yes, tell us more. Yep. So he's here for maybe some medicine, not really sure. He's an old man, you know. He has to put on the sweet meow right now. He's like, let me out. I'll be good. I promise. We're getting our Christmas tree today. Are we in a Porsche? Yes. It's going on the roof.
It's horrible lighting.
Yeah, it's terrible lighting. I'm gonna have to redo this. Yes, thank you. Christmas tree farm, friends. There's a lot of people out here. We're wearing our masks, being responsible. We are in the Porsche today because Tyler has a vision. Okay, we're gonna execute it. We follow our dreams. That's what we do out here. I need sunglasses. Can't see anything.
What's the quote from Napoleon Dynamite? I'm following your dreams.
If you vote for Napoleon,
If you vote for me, all of your wildest dreams will come true.
You can make all your dreams come
you can make all your dreams come true. You ready?
Yep. So bright.
It's so bright.
2 seconds until, oh, already fogged.
That's why I don't have my sunglasses on yet. You fogged up already? Safety first, man, okay? I ain't trying to get none of these cooties.
Christmas Day.
Get the clean ones. Wrong side, wrong side.
Payment orange.
Is it really? Yeah. That's cute.
Like a marker. It's a field marker.
Oh,
I
cute.
thought it was dead.
Yeah, it looks dead.
I was like, oh my god.
That looks dangerous. Isn't he beautiful? And you get to come home with this little apple bottom. He's a little heavy on the bottom, a little pear-shaped. All right, you ready to dig him out of the ground?
Get ready.
I'm ready.
Timber.
Woo!
There we go.
Lost that.
Lost that. There we go.
We did it! I feel so wild.
What?
You're wild!
I like how your mask matches your shirt, sir.
Thank you.
Very coordinating. When he was shaking on the thing, his top pieces were like all wiggly wiggly. It's cute. Home from the Christmas tree farm. It was a really fun day, and it was the first time we've ever cut down our actual tree. Look at him. He's beautiful. Some fun shape things happening. He's got them apple bottom jeans on. He's adorable and we love him. So now it's time to decorate. What do you think, Murray? First round of lights is only on like the very inside, like along the trunk. Beautiful. So there's 2 more reels of regular, like steady on clear lights that don't twinkle or any of that. When we're putting our Christmas tree together, we like to listen to records because we're so hip. And we usually start with this one. Christmas for You, featuring the Ronettes, Darlene Love, B Socks and the Blue Jeans, and the Crystals. Classics. Okay, we just finished putting all the lights on Mr. Applebottom jeans.
Where's his name? Gene Applebottom.
I like that, Gene Applebottom. Mr. Gene Applebottom Snowman Tree. I'm into it. Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, I can't talk over Stevie Wonder. Excuse me, sir. I think the tree's done. Man, the light from a Christmas tree is the most flattering, is it not? Is it not? folks. Patches is feeling much better. So Patches has arthritis and a little bit of a potassium deficiency, so he is now on supplements and some other medicine that I get to administer to him every day, and he loves it. He doesn't at all. It's a battle. If you think that a frail, old 15-year-old cat does not have the strength of 10 men when you're trying to shove some crap in his mouth, then you've not met Mr. Patches. I'm realizing now that I don't have a proper outro to this video, so here it is. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Check the links down below. If I mention anything in the video, like stores or products, makeup, just check the description box. That's it for now. I will catch you next time in the next video. Bye! So festive. It's a Halloween tree. Still, let me get your boogers. Still. Coronavirus. Cat Mountain, huh? Wow. Wow. Wow, Murray is really getting in there right now. Oh, it's so bright. Yeah. I'm so greasy right now. Let's see that waist trainer. Beep, boop, 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 beep, boop. Ooh, this light is offensive. Oh, I just put my phone down in like a puddle. Crap. Ah! Wait, is that recording? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Focus. Hi. Oh my god. Why is it zoomed in like this? Oh god. Ah.